Hello everyone, I have completed task 1 iris flower classification using machine learning. So basically it is a beginner level project where one can understand about supervised and unsupervised machine learning. And after performing certain machine learning algorithm, we can classify and identify different species of iris flower. So this is the data set which I have used for the project. The data set consists of 50 samples from each 3 species, and 4 features are measured from each sample: the length and width of sepal and petal, for distinguishing between the different species of iris flower from each other. These are the machine learning algorithms which I have used in the project. So let's move to the code. So here I have imported all the important libraries and then read the CSV file. So this is the 5 top rows of the dataset, and these are the 5 bottom rows of the dataset. This is the dimension of our data. Now I have checked that is there any null values or not. Then for data visualization I have used cat plot, bar plot, pair plot. For data processing I have used different functions, and the describe function is basically used to summarize the statistical properties of the data set, and after that I have checked for the columns, and then I have did the encoding of the categorical feature as a one hot numerical feature. Then I have prepared a new array. Now I'm splitting the data into testing and training data set, and which is in the ratio of 70:30, where 70% is used for training and 30% is held back for the validation of the data. Then I have prepared the KNN algorithm, and KNN algorithm is an instant based supervised learning which is used for comparing the already stored instances in the memory while we were doing the training of the data. Then I have used k-mean clustering. So basically it is used for clustering and labeling the data present in the data set. After that I have used the decision tree, and decision tree is basically used to create models or to train model and predict the class of the target variable, and that is done by learning the decision rule which is summarized from the training data. And this is the visualization part of the decision tree. So basically I have explored and processed the iris dataset using different Python libraries, and I have also learned about unsupervised and supervised machine learning using different machine learning algorithms. Thank you.